Ladies and gentlemen, spoons, welcome back to Badgerworks. Today, this is the headlight on my son's car. My son is here. Say hello, Michael.
Hello, Michael.
And he's just passed his test, actually, so well done.
Yay.
The car is looking very shiny, as you can see, mainly because he endlessly polishes it. I'm sure he hasn't polished the paint off yet. But the problem that we've got, as you can see, is the headlights are quite cloudy. So today we are going to try and do something about it. So let's get on with it. So we have a polishing kit that we're going to use that came from eBay or somewhere. It's just this. It came from T-Cut, as you can see. Not a sponsor. Machine or hand use. We will be doing this with the machine because doing this by hand is a nightmare. But the first thing we need to do is protect the paint. So I have here a roll of masking tape. This is my Vibac tape. This is good stuff. And we're going to go round the edge of the light so that when we hit it with a buffing pad, if we go off the side, we won't hit the paint. So where's the end of the tape? There it is.
I don't think it does.
Has what?
Lights on the mirrors.
It doesn't.
No.
That's why it's got the trafficator on the wing. Anyway, so the camera stopped recording at some point, so hopefully we got all of the intro in, but we'll see. So what I've done is I've gone round the outside of the window, light rather, with the tape, as I mentioned earlier. Hopefully the camera actually recorded that. And so now what we're going to do is, you've got a bit of rag. Well, the bit there, that'll do.
But it's meant to be a clean.
What?
That's going to be a clean bit.
Well, no, so I want to give it a wipe over.
Oh, okay.
Give us that stuff as well.
What stuff?
That.
This.
So just got a cloth here. This happens to be a microfiber cloth, but it doesn't have to be. And this is isopropyl alcohol. And we're just going to put some on this cloth. And I'm just going to give the headlight a quick wipe over, just to get off any grit or dirt that's on it, so that it doesn't grind it into the plastic. So it actually looks better already. Right. So now we can begin polishing. Do you want to read the instructions?
Not really. I just need to know which one of them goes on first.
Oh. This one, I imagine. Headlight polishing compound. What else have we got in here?
Probably some sealing stuff.
Headlight sealant. So we'll leave that for now. So we're going to start with this. This is the polishing compound. And I have here cordless drill with a polishing bonnet on the end of it. So I'll put some cream on there, stick it on, polish. Well, I'll do this one and you can do the other. You could be taping that light up while I'm doing this. Because you're doing the other one. Right, so we'll just dob some of this on here. That's way too much. Never mind. It'll be fine. And then, just do that a bit of a smear in there. So you can see why the tape is there. It's just so if I get near the edge, it doesn't matter, because it will hit the tape and not the plastic, or the bodywork rather. Oh, once it does that. Fun over there. He's taping up the other light.
I really hate this stuff.
This is not the ideal tool to do this. Ideally you want like a right angled thing so you can hold it easier, but this is what I have, so this is what we're using. Because quite frankly, the headlights on this car at the moment are like candles in jam jars. Alright, let's get a bit of tissue and give that a wipe over. Alright, let's get a bit of kitchen paper. Give this a wipe over and see.
One sec.
You can see how much better it is there to over here. It needs more polish over here, but you can see how much better it looks. Yeah, that's way better. I mean, to be fair, you could almost leave it like that, but I want to get into the edges just to make it look a bit better. But just to give you an idea, I'll just move the camera back a bit. If we look at the other one, you can see how cloudy that one is and how clear that one is.
Oh.
So we will continue with polishing, because like I said, you could technically leave it like that because that's where the light is. So
it's still dirty around the outside.
But it's just now we're just talking about aesthetics.
Yeah.
So we will continue with our polishing efforts and we'll bring you back and show you what the end result looks like. Right, so now that's done, we're going to wipe over with a microfiber cloth just to get rid of the any dust or stuff left on it. It's not perfect, but it's a damn sight better than it was. The problem that we're having really is the fact that this is a polishing bonnet and it's too big. For doing this kind of thing, you really need one of those little angled die grinders, but the trouble is they're air powered and I don't have a compressor lead long enough to reach out here. So what we're going to do now is take the sealant, and according to the instructions, you just wipe it on and then wipe it off. So we'll see how well this goes. So I've got some on the rag there. Oh, there goes the other cloths. So wipe it on in a circular motion. Just go over the whole light with this. And then use another cloth to wipe off the excess. You don't want to polish this because you don't want to wipe off what you just put on, but you just want to make sure you get the worst of it off. And there you go. That's headlight polishing. So he can go and do the other one on his own now. But I think you'll agree that is a marked improvement. I took a picture here to show you like a before and after, and as you can see now the offside headlight looks way better, and obviously it'll also work a lot better, but there's also the aesthetic element of it that the car will just look a lot nicer as well. So there you go. So hopefully you enjoyed this little video, a little something different. Are you happy with your headlights now?
Yeah.
Grief. Anyway, as ever, I'd like to take a moment and thank my top tier patrons, Howard, Amy, Chris and Hawaii Clive O, for their continued support, and we will see you all in the next video. Say goodbye, Michael.
Goodbye, Michael.
See you next time, folks. Cheers. Bye.